get it. Let's get ready to roll. Prepare for glory. Yes! We're getting ready to go into battle against a sick 16-inch diameter pump housing. So check out the geometry on this thing. We got this big bore in the center. We got this angled port. We've got all these deep pockets. We're gonna have avoidance issues with these fins. And we're gonna run this whole part dry so you can see what's happening. And we're gonna teach you guys tips and tricks to be able to program a part like this. Whether you've been in this trade for 1 year or 50, there's gonna be things in these coming videos that you're gonna be able to learn from. But first, I have to build up all 3 rows of these tools. All right, 1 down, 13 to go. Yeah, center insert. This drill looks like it's had some rough times. You may remember this drill from drilling dry in 1018 steel. Sorry, little fellas, you're about to see some action. Tool 2, ready for action. Cast iron face mill of greatness. All right, now check it out. You guys see this copper colored coating? That's something that's brand new. And if you guys use the Harvey 3 Aero or the Harvey 3 or the Harvey 2 Long or the RSM end mills, you're gonna start seeing this copper coating on your tools. Now the reason why this is so cool is keep in mind that the Harvey 3 Aero actually won the Boeing challenge for tool life in titanium. Well, this tool is gonna give you 50% longer tool life than the old Harvey 3 Aero that looked like this. This coating is so much better, it's gonna blow y'all's minds. I love gold. Now, even though this end mill has a copper color, it's really Tyson, which I find funny because we have a Tyson over on our 9-axis, and Alcrin. Now, this is a 2.5 micron thick layer that's on this tool, and that thinner coating allows us to still have a good sharp edge on our flutes. And that's important for hard stuff. Yes. All right, so we got a few tools that are sticking out quite a bit, but we need that stick out for the reach to be able to get into the features that these tools are cutting. We're going deep in the bore. Then we got this long 1/2-inch ball end mill. This thing's got to clear that huge flange that's sticking out in the middle of space. And we also have a tapered ball end mill that's going to be sticking out a mile so that we can get past those fins and past the flange. We want to give a shout out to you, Deborah Thompson. Yes, you specifically, Deborah Thompson. Thank you so much for helping to fuel the engine that is Titans of CNC and helping us to come up with better content. If you want to be shouted out too and have access to things like free merch, go ahead and become a member of our channel and click the join button right now. As a machinist, it's important to stay hydrated. In this industry, it's important to be able to find employees, find jobs, find vendors, find customers, and be able to get certified in CAD, CAM, and CNC. So head on over to CNC Expert, where we're solving the industry's 5 biggest problems. See you there. baby! So we got all of our toolpath programmed here in Mastercam. That's all the 3-axis, the 3+2, the full 5-axis. We're gonna do several videos on this part. So no matter where you're at in your career, there's gonna be tips and tricks for you to learn through the course of these videos. All right, so we got our material all loaded up here. Special shout out to Dura-Bar, the world's largest producer of continuous cast iron. I love their stuff. Oh, here we go. Go time. All right, just like that, pallet change is complete. We're ready to go to war. Keep your eyes out for future thumbnails that have this part in them, and be sure to click because we're gonna have some great things in store for you in this series. So I hope you guys liked today's video. Please like and subscribe and prepare for glory.